So hi guys, today we got the pepper sweet redskin we have to repot. So a few weeks ago grew these in the pots like this, the seeds. We've got 5 grew here and 3 from there. We only had 10 seeds, so 8 out of 10, not a bad ratio. Now to take them out, these have been watered yesterday. So just tip them over, look after the stem, little squeeze, flexible pots, and there we are, it comes away. Gently just separate and get rid of the old, we used coconut compost for these, so it doesn't have much nutrients. Grab it by the leaf and just gently, there's one there. Okay, so there we are, there's one. There's another one, and the last one from this pot. There we are. The main thing is you want to look after that stem. Don't squeeze it, damage it. Definitely, because that's the main artery for the plant to grow. So let's put this to one side, show you again. There we are. Depends on how much soil, how much roots there is. You want to fill portion of the pot like this. So on this one, just below half. I'll grab the nearest one to me. Now we're going to take these all the way to fruit picking. So be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and definitely turn the notification on so you don't miss that video. So I try and go for the middle, gentle squeeze, and then just keep filling. So these are still going to be indoors for a good, I would say, for another month. And then we're going to get them climatized to the outside temperature. Keep an eye on the weather. So when we say climatized, so at the moment indoors, these are comfortable between 20 and 24 Celsius. And suddenly if you put them outside, here in the UK, the temperature is still dropping at night time, anything from 0 to about 4 Celsius. So that'll be too cold. And it'll be too much of a shock and the plant will die. So what I'll do with these is leave them on the windowsill, and as they grow a little bit bigger and the temperature warms up, I leave the window open fully so they get used to that temperature sort of in between, and then I'll take them outside, keeping an eye on the nighttime temperature. If I see the nighttime temperature dropping too low, then I'll bring them indoors. All right. There we are. Now to water them, gently water on top here, or you can soak it in some water and let the soil slowly, a few hours, and then take them out. There we are, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll show you how these progress and come along, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.